Today, I'll show you how to change your email on Agoda, and I'll also explain an important limitation you need to know about before you spend time looking for a setting that isn't actually there. First, make sure you're already signed in to your Agoda account. If you're not signed in, you won't see the options we're going to talk about, so it's worth pausing and double checking that you're logged in with the correct account. Once you're signed in, look for your profile icon. This is usually found at the top of the page, often in the upper right corner. It might appear as a small person-shaped icon or an initial, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Profile. This is where Agoda keeps your main account details and where most people expect to be able to update things like their email address. When the profile page opens, you'll see your key account information laid out. This typically includes your name, your email address, your phone number, and your password settings. It's a good idea to take a moment here and make sure everything you see is still accurate, especially if you haven't checked it in a while. As you look at the email section, you'll notice that your current email address is marked as verified. This simply means Agoda has confirmed that this email belongs to you, usually through a confirmation link that was sent when you first signed up or when you verified your account. A verified email is important because it's where booking confirmations, updates, and support messages are sent. Now, this is where the limitation comes in. Even though you can clearly see your email address displayed in your profile, Agoda currently does not provide an option to change that email directly within your account settings. In other words, you can view your email and you can see that it's verified, but there isn't a built-in button or field that lets you replace it with a new one. This can be a bit confusing because many platforms allow you to edit your email right alongside your name or phone number. On Agoda, though, that option simply isn't available at the moment. So if you were expecting to click into the email field and type a new address, you won't find that capability in the profile section. Because of this limitation, the main takeaway is to be very sure about the email address you use when you first create your Agoda account. That address becomes the primary way Agoda communicates with you, and it stays attached to your account. If you ever lose access to that email, you may need to explore alternative solutions like working with Agoda's support team or creating a new account depending on their current policies. To recap the process, you sign in, click your profile icon, select profile, and review your information. You'll see your name, email, phone number, and password settings, and you'll see that your email is verified. But at this time, there is no built-in option on Agoda to change that email address from within your profile. That's all you need to know for now about changing your email on Agoda and understanding what is and isn't possible within the current system.